Welcome back to the big semi-final match between Saudi Arabia versus Jordan. The match has been started. Barak, beautiful pass to Mashallah Waheed. Ibi Samir is now leading the ball, taking the chance. Nicely passed, but defender was there. Nicely cleared by the defenders. Well tried by Saudi Arabian team players. Another chance, but nicely cleared by Naif. Raza. Jihad was there. Mashallah Waheed again leading the ball. This is the another chance. Touch to the player. There will be throw. Saif nicely clear. Yaqub Gabbar. Now the Jordan team players making the strategy. Naif Bilal taking the chance. Direct hit and goal. This is the first goal just after 16 minutes. Naif Bilal did magnificent goal. No mistake. Directly hit to the net. What a nice goal done by Naif Bilal. Saudi Arabia 1, Jordan 0. Saudi Arabia is now leading by 1 goal. This is the first attack from Saudi Arabia over Jordan just in 16 minutes. A huge pressure built on Jordan team players. Now they are making the strategy, taking the chance. Nicely clear. Beautifully clear by the defender. Jordan team players are now taking the game serious. Nicely pass. Yaqub Gabbar, beautiful pass to Javed. Raza. This is another chance. Nicely clear. Hussein. Naif Bilal. This time again beautiful pass to Ibi Samir. Mashallah Waheed. This is the another chance. Beautiful pass to Barak. Direct hit but outside of the pole. Well tried by Barak. 36 minutes have been passed. Still Jordan is struggling for their first goal. And Saudi Arabian team players are attacking again and again. Beautiful passing strategies going between Jordan team players. They should have to make the attacking strategy.
1 minute added time.
First half is almost going to be completed and still Jordan is struggling. First half has been completed. The second half has been started. In the first half, Naif Bilal did magnificent goal. Let's see what will happen in the second half. This is the chance. Hussein Faraj taking the ball. Beautiful pass, but defender was there to clear the ball. Javed. Mistake. There will be throw. Beautiful throw, nicely clear by the defenders. Ibi Samir. Another hit. Imad was there. Saif Osama beautifully cleared the ball. This is the time for Jordan to achieve the goal. Raza. Golden chance for. Beautifully picked by the goalkeeper. Nice pass. Hussein Saqib is now leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Ibi Samir. This time Rasul Faraj. Mashallah Waheed taking the ball. But defended. Hamid Jabir. The ball is outside of the line. There will be throw. 67 minutes have been passed. Still Jordan is struggling. The time is not enough. This is the golden chance for Jordan but defended. Hussein Saqib. Rasul leading the ball. Another chance for Saudi Arabia. Beautiful pass to Ibi Samir. This time hit but outside of the pole. Well tried by Ibi Samir. Another attack. Only 20 minutes remaining for this game to be completed, and Jordan is still struggling for the first goal because Saudi Arabian team players are attacking again and again. They are not making a single chance to Jordan to achieve the goal. Raza, this is the chance, but beautifully picked by the goalkeeper. Only 10 minutes remaining for the Jordan. That is becoming very tough for the Jordan. Semi-final is totally going for the Saudi Arabian team players. This is the another chance. Beautifully clear. The time is over. Saudi Arabia 1, Jordan 0. Saudi Arabia won this match.